Good morning, students of grade 3. Students, hope you all are doing well. We have studied about different types of pollution in details now. We have studied about the causes of the pollution and also about the effects of the pollution. Now let's study about the steps to save our environment. If pollution is not controlled, a time may come when our existence on earth would become impossible. They are telling you that if pollution should not be controlled, अगर pollution control नहीं हुआ, then one day then the day will come when our existence on earth would become impossible. It can be controlled by the steps given below. That they are telling you the steps by which you can control the pollution. You can save your environment. Number 1, we must conserve water and other water resources. We must conserve water. We should plant more trees because plants helps us to keep the air clean. Plants provides us oxygen, right? Fresh air. We must avoid using plastics and polythene as much as possible, and we must avoid using plastics and polythene as much as we can. So we should avoid them. We must segregate biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste before disposing. And before disposing the waste which is biodegradable and non-biodegradable, we should segregate. Celebrate Diwali with candles and diyas and say no to firecrackers. Firecrackers cause loud noise and smoke. And whenever you celebrate Diwali, celebrate it with the candles and diyas and say no to firecrackers, because firecrackers cause loud noise and they also cause smoke. Because of that, air and noise both get polluted. We must save paper, as saving paper means saving trees, and we must try to save paper as much as we can, because paper are made from trees, and if we will use more paper, then people cut the trees to make paper. So we should try to save paper, because saving paper means saving trees, because papers are made by trees. We should throw garbage into the garbage bins only, and we should avoid throwing garbage here and there. We should throw the garbage into the garbage bins only, and we should avoid to throw garbage here and there. We should throw the garbage only in garbage bins. So what can we do? We must conserve water and other water resources. We should plant more trees, because plants provide us fresh air, oxygen, right? And we must avoid using plastic and polythenes, because as much as possible, because they are very harmful for our environment. And we must segregate biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste before disposing it. And we must celebrate Diwali with candles and diyas only, and we should avoid firecrackers. And we should try to save paper as much as we can, because saving paper means saving trees, because papers are made by trees. And we should avoid throwing garbage here and there, and we should try to throw the garbage into the garbage bins only. So students, these are the steps to save the environment. Now let's do the last question answer of this chapter.